Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the source. Choose the best comp and duplicate the region so you can compare processing. Once done, set a high pass at 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble and use clip gain to tame peaks before plugins. Make sure input gain is conservative so compressors react musically. Next, create a track stack or folder for parallel processing. This lets you blend heavy compression with an untouched lane. These first steps prevent later fixes from chasing problems. Instead of you now shape tone and control energy. Start with subtractive EQ to remove boxy 200-500 Hz and tame harsh 2-8 kHz resonances. Add a gentle air shelf around 10-12 kHz if needed. Once the tone is balanced, set a compressor at roughly 3, 1 to 5, 1 with medium attack and short release to glue phrases. Blend in a parallel compressed bus for body. Then correct timing with flex time or manual clip moves. Small adjustments keep groove without sounding robotic. You finish by removing sibilance and adding space. Place a de-esser targeting 5 to 8 kHz and adjust the threshold so it only tames sibilance. You want the consonants intact. Add a short plate or room reverb plus a slap or tempo delay. Automate wet/dry and pre-delay to keep clarity during dense moments. Once polished, print stems and check in mono for phase issues. If anomalies remain, troubleshoot by bypassing chains, checking phase, or simply re-recording the offending line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.